Hi, my name is Jess and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to put together a course offer. Now, your online course is going to be teaching a new skill. It's going to be helping someone with a problem that they have. It's going to be helping someone achieve something new. But when it comes to putting together how you're going to talk about that and how you're going to promote it to the world, just saying that this is a course where you're going to learn English or this is a maths course, just saying that isn't enough to market the course as successfully as it could be marketed. Unlike standard lessons that you deliver, maybe one-on-one lessons, live lessons, where you can just adapt the content on the fly to the type of student that you are delivering it to, your course must have a clear outcome for the course student, a clear problem that it solves, a clear skill that it teaches, a clear outcome that the student is going to get. This helps your potential course students, it helps them understand that this is the course that they need to buy. So your course students might not feel like they need a maths course, but they may want a course that's going to teach them how to budget so that they can save £10,000. What you're doing with your course is you're crafting it into something that people really want to buy. People don't just want to buy a maths course, they want to buy a course that helps them achieve something. So the first way that you can figure out how to put together this offer is you want to understand what your potential course students are struggling with, what they're finding difficult, a problem that they're currently having. You want to figure out that first, because what your course is going to do is your course is going to be the solution to your potential students' problem. For example, you might figure out that your potential course students are struggling with communicating like a native. You figured out that they can speak the language very well, but when they are actively speaking with natives, the pace of the conversations is too fast for them to listen to. So although they know all the vocabulary and they know all the grammar and they know how to speak English, they just want to be able to speak like a native. They want to pick up that fluency. So what you could offer, the solution could be a native fluency course, where the course is solely focused on being able to speak like a native, being able to speak faster and listen faster. So you're concentrating on two skills, listening and speaking, instead of putting the entire English language into one online course that really isn't going to be beneficial for anyone. What you're doing is focusing on a struggle or a problem that you found, and you're creating a solution for it. If you've decided that you want to offer a course that's not to your current students that you're teaching, you want to go into a different market. For example, you might want to create a course that's going to help teachers, and you found that classroom teachers want to start teaching online and find a teaching job, but they don't really know how to go about that process. They don't know where to apply, what companies are reputable, how to go through the interview process. So you could create a course that helps teachers land their first online teaching job. You're not teaching them everything, and you're not teaching them how to plan lessons or how to teach. All you're teaching is how to get your first job. So this could be going through the different companies, it could be going through the interview process, it could be going through the demos that you have to produce. So you're focusing on just one area, you're focusing on one problem, one struggle, and how to overcome it. And the solution is your course offer. My main message today is that you don't have to teach everything that you know within your online course. The best courses and the most profitable courses are the one that helps someone achieve one thing, helps someone solve one thing. It's that one that people look at and think, that's the course that I need, therefore I'm going to go out and buy it. As I said at the beginning, people don't just want a regular, straightforward science course, English course, teaching course, like teaching online course. What they want is a solution to their problem. Richard Branson famously said, to launch a business means successfully solving problems, and solving problems means listening. Let's turn this into what we need to hear for our online course. To launch a course successfully, we need to solve problems, and to solve problems we need to be listening. So going out and talking with potential course students, finding out their problems, finding out their struggles, so that we can really help them. Have you ever tried cooking without a recipe? You go to the supermarket and you're not really sure the ingredients that you need, but you know you want to create a certain type of dish. You end up picking up the wrong ingredients, maybe forgetting some ingredients. You come home, you're not really sure how to cook things for, how long to put things in the oven for, what steps to do first, and when you get to the end and you've cooked this meal, you look and you're kind of disappointed because you know it could have come out a lot better if you would have followed the recipe. Now, the next time you decide to follow a recipe, you take your ingredients list to the supermarket, you tick it off as you go around, you get exactly what you need. You know how long to put your food in the oven for, you know what to prepare first. You get to the result you want, a nice meal, a lot quicker than before when you tried to do it without a recipe. Now, this is exactly what building your course is like. If you're currently trying to build your online course, you're trying to figure out who's going to buy it and what it's going to be about and where am I going to launch it, what am I going to post on social media about it, it can be a whole lot of questions and it can take you a long time to figure it all out and to launch a course successfully. What the Your Way program is, it's a recipe for you to show you the exact steps that you need to follow to launch your course from the beginning step, figuring out how to find your profitable course idea to launching your course online to the market. It walks you through the systems that you need to implement, how to schedule your emails, what content to post, how to think of content ideas, how to brand yourself as a teacher, how to show up online, and how to put together your online course. It's all within a step-by-step process to save you so much time. I don't want you wandering around that supermarket, wondering what to do next or how long to spend on each step, because there is a recipe that you can follow. And this recipe is the Your Way program. Now, the Your Way program is currently open for enrollment, and I'm so grateful to be supporting teachers who are committed to building their online course this year. If you're interested, I'm going to leave the details down below so that you can grab your spot and start building a course that people are actually going to want to buy. I'm excited to support you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what your course offer is going to be over on Instagram. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll speak to you next time. Bye!